Recently, OpenAI launched Codex. It's a coding agent that helps you build and ship with AI powered by ChatGPT. It's a similar tool like Anthropic's Claude Code, and right now you can use it completely for free. What you will have to at the beginning, you will have to come to this website OpenAI/Codex, and now from here you can directly download it on your local PC. So if you are using Windows, it's actually show you download for Windows, and it's also available for Linux and Mac. Okay, so I will simply download it by clicking this button, and now it will redirect to a folder directory. I will download it on D drive, and now it's actually, you can see, Codex installer is downloaded. You will go to the folder directory and simply double click it to install on your machine. Okay, so you can see it's actually start installing. As I have already installed it, you can see the latest version is installed. What you will do, let me open it. Okay, so right now you will see this type of interface. It will ask you to continue with ChatGPT if you have an account. So you can continue with ChatGPT. If you don't have, you can have a API key of OpenAI. You can just enter your API key. I have already an account on ChatGPT, so that's why I will continue with ChatGPT. So let me click here. Now it will redirect to a browser, and from here you will choose your email address if you have already on it. If you don't have, you can continue with Google. I will continue with Google, and now look, let me click continue, and now you can see it's actually added. So from here you can use ChatGPT various model. Right now the GPT 5.5 is available. You can just change it from here. Look, so right now here GPT 5.5 is available. If you need to switch other model, you will have GPT 5.4, the GPT 5.4 mini, 5.3 codex, 5.2. Okay, you can use latest model from here, and here actually you can just use it similar like ChatGPT. So what you can do, you can try to build something. You can summarize your email, you can connect with your calendar, you can have lots of stuff. You can just define permissions, and if you need to use agent sandbox access, you can have to set up it. So for example, here you will have lots of plugin. You can integrate with your browser, use a spreadsheet, Hugging Face, Netlify, Vercel, and other stuff. You can see Hostinger is available, so you can have lots of plugin. You can use it. So right now if you want to chat, you can just click this new chat and just start chatting, or just building something here. Okay, so for example, if I simply say hi, who are you? Okay, if I just say something like this, then and click this send button, within a few seconds it will give you reply. So like your personal chat assistant, okay, as a wallet ChatGPT do for you. Okay, you can see I am Codex. I am a AI coding collaborator running inside your workspace with you. Okay, so you will get something like this. You can try to build your projects from here. But what if you want to use more models? Right now you can see here is some limited model. If you need to use local model or free model, how you can do that? Okay, so to do that, what you will have to do, look, at the beginning you need to install the CLI. Okay, so you can simply type Codex CLI and then go to this here OpenAI developers platform. You will go there, and here to use the CLI, what you will have, if you are using actually Windows, you will have npm. So to use it, you have to make sure that Node.js installed on your machine. If you don't have Node.js installed, came to this website nodejs.org and get your Node.js from here. And you should also use the latest LTS version, long-term support version, okay, from here, and you will install it on your machine. After then you will have to copy this. Look, you will have to copy this, and then you will open your command prompt. You can simply search cmd, and now here you will simply paste it, Control V to paste it. It's actually npm I in short of install, and we will install OpenAI Codex globally. So that's why -g is for globally. So that means on our machine we're going to install Codex. Okay, so simply let me press enter. Okay, it's added. If you want to verify it, you can simply just command something like this. Look, the Codex command. Okay, so for doing this, you can simply just type Codex here. and then we will take a space, then dash dash help. Okay, so if you comment something like this, here in return you will see all of these actually help suggestion. You can use all of these command on actually codex. Okay, so you will see all of this stuff. If you get it, that means you installed codex CLI perfectly on your machine. The next thing what you will have to do, look, we need to run local model, so that's why the best platform is go to Ollama. Okay, so you can simply search Ollama, and here if you go there and if you go to the model section, look, here you will find lots of model, and almost all of these model are free, but there are some cloud version that is actually paid, but you can use any of this model for free. For example, if you want to use Quen 3.5, it's actually available there. If you need to use others model, like let me show you Google Gemma 4 or Kimi K 2.5, it's also available on this platform. Here is, this is very efficient model, minimax m 2.7. you can use any of this model here. Okay, so how you can do that? Okay, so to use it, actually you will go to the home page, so that is actually ollama.com, and here at the beginning you need to install this. There is two way to install it. You can simply copy this command, and then if you are using Windows computer, you can simply search PowerShell, and then the PowerShell will open. You can simply paste the command and then press enter to install it. Or the another way, you can simply click this download button and download the installer, and then just click next to install it. I have already downloaded, and right now you can see Ollama setup.exe. I will go to the folder directory, and right now I will install it for you so that you can just follow the same process as I am doing. Okay, so I will double click this installer. So here you will have this. You can simply click this install, and it will start installing on your machine, and takes few seconds to complete the process. Then what you will do, you will click this slider icon and then click this launch. Okay, so in this launch section you will see lots of options. You can use Ollama with OpenClaw. Here is actually go with Claude code. You can just use Codex. Okay, so this is actually we need to do have. Okay, we'll simply copy this, and before just commanding this, what you will do, so I will simply minimize all of this stuff. I will go to a project directory. Okay, so let me go to desktop, and then we'll choose a project directory. So for example, this project directory, and I will create a new project. Okay, so this will be, for example, test project. And now what you will do, we'll open this project on Visual Studio Code, or you can use any IDE. So I will open Visual Studio Code and simply drag this folder and drop it on Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here you will have something like this type of interface. What you will do, I will simply close all of this stuff and open the terminal from here. Okay, so let me open the terminal. You can drag it, and here your terminal is something like this. You will go to the arrow section and choose either command prompt or git bash if you have git bash installed. Okay, so right now what you will do, look, you need to have to copy this command, Ollama launch codex. Okay, if you just copy this command and paste it here by pressing Ctrl V and then press enter, look, you will have all of these options. You can just go with Kimi K 2.5 cloud version model, Quen 3.5 cloud model. Here you can just download any model. For example, you can see, so this model is actually not downloaded, so that's why it say you will, whenever you choose this model, it will just download on your local PC and then it will use it. Okay, so if you need to install more model, what you can do, you can go to the model section, then simply choose any model. For example, here if you need to install a model something like this, let me go, you need to install this model Quen 3, go there, and here you will see hardware requirement. You need to have, if you need to install this Quen 3 latest version, you need 5.2 GB. Okay, so for example, if you want to install this, you can go to here, so click there, and then you can see you will have this CLI command. You will copy it, then you need to open command prompt or your terminal, then simply paste it and then press enter. Okay, it's actually pulling manifest and start downloading this model. It takes few minutes to complete. Okay, so it's actually 1.4 GB in total size. Based on your hardware, you will choose a specific model from this list. Actually, if I just go back, then you will see the list is here. If you have a heavy computer, you can go with these 20 GB versions, or it's actually the model size of the parameter. So here you can see a Qwen 3 point clone 8 billion parameter. This is actually 4 billion parameter, zero point 0.6 billion parameter. This is 235 billion parameter. So the mass the parameter is, the efficient the model is. Okay, so based on your hardware, you will install a model and then you can use that model. Now verifying the digest. Okay, successful. Okay, everything is ready. Then what you will do, you can simply back again here, and right now if you just simply, let me just delete this, let me open another command prompt. Okay, so here we will do the same thing. Actually I need to reload so that the latest model is available here on this list. If I command Ollama launch then space codex, so this is the command. You can pause your video and just simply command this. Okay, this will actually launch codex CLI. Okay, so simply let me press enter, and now here you can see in this more section, you can see this model is available right now. So this model is we just installed within a few seconds, and now it's available here. You can choose this model from here. Let me just use your down arrow key, and when it's here you can press enter, and right now you can see launching codex with this model. Okay, so you will have this codex CLI interface. Okay, so here you can say anything. You can just try to build your own projects or try to use it completely for free. I hope you understand. If you face any problem, just leave a comment and I will just try to give you a solution for this video. Okay.